The Election Commission today ordered re-polling in 4 polling stations in Assam. The assembly constituencies of Rathabari, Sonai and Haflong will be undergoing a re-poll on April 20th. The polling stations are Indira MV School in Rathabari constituency, Madhya Dhanehari LP School in Sonai constituency and Khodlir LP School, and in Haflong Mualdam LP School. Earlier, the Election Commission of India ordered re-polling at polling station number 149 of Rathabari seat in Assam following the row surrounding an EVM being found in a car that belongs to Patharkandi BJP candidate Krishnendu Paul. While in the Sonai Assembly constituency in Assam's Kachar district, at least 2 people were injured in a clash between 2 groups. According to reports, the clash broke out between 2 groups after there was alleged mismanagement at Madhya Dhanehari polling station. Whereas in a massive breach of conduct, a polling booth in Haflong constituency located in Assam's Dima Hasao district registered a total of 171 votes, whereas the polling station had only 90 names on the voters list. Re-polling will be held in these polling centers from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. on April 20th. The Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) suffered a massive defeat in tribal council polls in Tripura, where the party rules in alliance with the IPFT, Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura. The crucial Tripura Autonomous District Council polls were swept by a new outfit, TIPRA, the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, that won 18 of the 28 seats. The BJP and its ally won just 9, with the other seat going to an independent candidate. The Left Front, which won the earlier election, and the Congress failed to win any seats. TIPRA is headed by Tripura Royal Pradyot Manikya Deb Burman, who resigned as chief of the Congress's state unit in September last year over differences with party's handling of the citizenship law protests. In the 2018 assembly elections, BJP-IPFT pair fought back to win 18 of the 20 constituencies that hold the tribal council seats. But 3 years later, they are set for an embarrassing turnaround. The election to the Tripura Autonomous District Council was held on April 6th. The Dimapur District Football Association held a brief press briefing at Kakit Futsal, Uravilla Colony in Dimapur and announced the team who will be representing Dimapur District. The football team will be participating at the Dr. T. Au Inter-District Championship 2021 in Kohima from April 13th to 19th. With much to be desired in terms of sports infrastructure in the state, Vice President of DDFA, Lanutoshi Yadan, said that the team management had to find a way to give the players a feel of playing on AstroTurf as compared to regular grounds. He further added that Team Dimapur is a multicultural team with players from different tribes making the team.
So we had taken the effort to, hire this ground and let our players feel the feel of playing in a turf. It makes a big difference playing in a turf and playing in a ground. There are 12 districts and just some, I can say, are practicing on a turf. The rest are all practicing on the ground, which is not fair. I can proudly say that our team, Dimapur district, consists of a number of tribes that all we can say is a multicultural team.
The Search Battalion of 23 Sector Assam Rifles has recovered 22 cases of smuggled beer of foreign origin from Chungtain in Mizoram. The beer was recovered during a joint operation carried out by a team of Assam Rifle Jawans and officials of the State Excise and Narcotics Department in Chungtain. The market value of the foreign origin liquor is estimated to be 1,05,600. Meanwhile, Assam Rifle Jawans also seized beer worth 36,000 from 2 smugglers in Aizawl. Altogether, 72 cans of beer of foreign origin, 5,000 packets of foreign cigarettes and heroin worth over Rs 42 lakh were also seized along with the foreign beer.